This is a video to show you how to make a tessellation out of rotation around vertices. So right here you can see on this square that each one of these vertices is where 4 lizards come together. Can you tell how many degrees each lizard was rotated? Hopefully you said this could be like 90, 180, and 270. So this is how it works. There's the puzzle piece. This one was made by MC Escher, so you can see that it doesn't need much detail for you to know what it is. This one works with a square, okay? And it works with a square because all the angles are the same and all the sides are the same. You can also do a rotation one with a hexagon. I'm not going to require it, but it does look kind of cool. So right here, I've put a big green dot here because this is the vertex that I'm going to rotate around, and there's the squiggle. And so this one here, holding it there, is going to rotate to this side right here. So this is what it looks like. MC Escher, that's the artist. Okay. Then down here, the next squiggle was right around here, and then this is the vertex that it was rotated around. So if you'll notice, this was the original one, and this is the second one. So these 2 vertices are opposite of each other. That's important. Okay, and then this is going to get rotated down to there, which looks like this. There it is without the square, and there it is with the details. So let me show you how to make it. So you're going to need a square. It needs to be a perfect square. And if you want, you can kind of on here draw which vertices you want to rotate it around so that you don't get confused. I find that sometimes people get confused with this one because remember, when you do rotations, there's a short way and there's a long way. So if you go the short way, of course you find it quickly, but if it's the long way, you just got to keep on going. It's still the same, but you just got to keep on going. And again, this is the working copy. Okay, and my puzzle piece is going to be on this piece of patty paper. And like always, I'm going to mark all 4, okay? If you want to mark these darker, you can, but there's your square. Then I'm going to remove it. And then right here we can, I don't know, make a squiggle like this, okay? And then if we line it up like this and trace the squiggle, if you remember the last rotation one, we only went to the midpoint, and that was the point that was stationary, but now it's going to be this vertex. So if you hold this steady with the pencil, you'll notice that there is a long way to go, like this would be the long way, okay, or this is the original, this is the short way. So if you go the short way, you're like, yeah, I got it. But if you go the long way, then you're like, oh my goodness, where is it going? What am I supposed to do? Don't go there because there's no little point there, right? So go like this. I'm going to go the short way just so that I can be better. And then we'll go ahead and line up the dots and trace it. Like that. Okay, then we'll take that off. And here's the original working copy. And so this one became this one. So then I need either a squiggle here or here. It doesn't really matter which one. I guess we could do it here. I don't know, I'm running out of creative squiggles. All right, let's see if that works. Ooh, maybe this could be cool. All right, and so the good thing is right here that I had darkened these darker so that I knew exactly how it goes. So it kind of looks like this, okay? So again, I will trace it. And again, having another hand might be easier. And then this is gonna be the stationary part that I'm gonna hold, okay? And then again, I'm gonna rotate this. And if I go this way, of course, that's the shorter way. But if I accidentally go this way, just keep going until you see the dot. And there's the dot. And so it will be the same. Okay. And so then if I kind of trace it in here, there. That's my puzzle piece. That looks kind of cool. I don't know what it is, but it looks like a Bernstein bear maybe. So anyways, this is the puzzle piece. And of course, that is the working copy.